Hello dear students. Now we continue with the same chapter called Rebels and the Raj, and we will take the topic called rumor. Rumor has got connection of strained relationship between the Indians and the British. What is a rumor? Rumor is a story which has got no relevance with the reality, but because of its repeated rotation from time to time, from place to place, this imaginary event or fact appears to be true. This is what is called rumor. During the time of British rule in India, this rumor played a very effective role, and it affected to the mind of the Indians to such an extent that they began to dislike the foreign rule in India. Now the question comes, how did the rumor origin? What is its original story? How did it start? In the history we find out that in January, third week of January in 1857, in the cantonment of Damdam, it is in West Bengal, a worker, a Khalashi, a worker, while he was working, he was very tired. He needed some water. At that time, this Khalashi saw that a Brahmin soldier was going with a bottle of water with him. Khalashi requested the gentleman to give him a drink. Now, according to the social system in India, the lower caste, who was a Khalashi, actually was a lower caste. So lower caste and the higher caste, they did not mix with each other. They do not eat together. They try to stay apart. Therefore, this Brahmin soldier refused to give the water to that low caste Khalashi, the worker. And as a result, what happened? This Khalashi was so irritated and angry that he began to utter this word, that you people are going to lose your caste very fast. Very soon something is going to happen and you are going to lose your pride in that high caste system. Now it so happened that in the same year, a new type of gun was introduced in the British Army. And the bullet of that gun or the cartridge of that gun was covered with some fat materials. The rumor went around that this fat which was covering the cartridge was the cow fat or the pig fat. Now, according to the religious belief in India, Hindus were not allowed to touch the cow. They worshipped cow. And the Muslims felt, they knew that touching the pig was against their religion. It was a sin. Therefore, when this new type of gun was introduced, then the unfortunate curse of the Khalashi in Damdam came into the mind of the soldiers, that truly they were going to lose their religion, their caste. Another origin of the rumor story is the Atta story here. Atta story in North India. In North India, people began to believe that the British government began to grind the animal bone and used to mix with the flour and was selling in the market. What was the idea? idea was to destroy the religious belief, the social custom of India. There are many more stories are there which appear to be the origin of spreading the rumor, but these two men are very widely spread rumor here what I have shared with you. Now, rumor is not something true. It is just a kind of imaginary story. But the question comes, why the people in India believed in it? Why? What was the reason? Here I give you some of the areas which will satisfy you to understand it properly, and kindly listen to it so that you do not have to read the book again. One of the many points is given here, the introduction of Western education in India. You know, when the British came to India, they introduced the Western education, maths, science, astrology, philosophy, and the medium of the education was done through English. Now, when this type of system of education was introduced, the Indian took it as a kind of destroying their traditional way of education. What was the Indian traditional system of education? Education was given through Sanskrit or through Urdu, Arabic language. Therefore, the introduction of Western education was contrary to the Indian education system. Therefore, the Indians began to think that British came to India to destroy the Indian custom. Another way of believing the rumor was the Sati Act of 1829. In 1829, British government introduced one law to save the young widows in India. I should not say young, all the widows in India. What was the custom in India? In India, the custom was that if the husband died, then along with the deceased husband, the wife had to die on the pyre. This was as good as a murder. This was as good as destroying the young widows to have early death. British government therefore introduced one law called the Sati System Act in 1829 to save the women folk. Whereas the people in India, the leaders in India began to think that the British was trying to destroy their religious practice. Certainly it was not a good impression. Another one I will tell you as a reason why people believed in the rumor was that the activities of the Christian missionaries. When the British tradesmen came to India, along with them came the Christian missionaries. These missionaries began to go village to village, house to house, began to speak about the Christian religion, the teaching of Jesus. At the same time, they were doing some good social work for the upliftment of the Indian people, especially in the villages. But this good work of the missionaries was misinterpreted by the Hindu and Muslim religious leaders in India, that these missionaries were trying to convert the Indians into Christianity, and thereby they were attacking the Indian religions. In this way, it created a very, very misunderstanding among the religious leaders. Along with all these reasons why the Indian people began to believe in the rumor was the introduction of the Enfield gun in the army. About this gun I told you few minutes ago. Again I will tell you within 2 sentences that this gun's cartridge or the bullet was covered with a kind of fat which was spread as the fat of the cow or the pig fat. This created unrest, discontent among the soldiers that British was trying to destroy their religious custom. In this way, my dear children, what I want to conclude is that rumor, though it was not very true, but the welfare activity, the reformation activity of the British was not properly understood by our Indians, and in this way the misunderstanding developed, a strained relationship developed between the Indians and the British administration. In this way, this rumor also created a supporting story to the spread of revolution in 1857 called Sepoy Mutiny. Thank you very much.